Welcome to the presentation on ChatGPT prompt engineering. Today, we will explore the intricacies of crafting and refining prompts to maximize the potential of ChatGPT and similar language models. This session is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of how prompt engineering can be leveraged to improve the accuracy, relevancy, and overall performance of AI-generated content. Let's delve into the various techniques, applications, and best practices for effective prompt engineering. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe to stay updated with our new videos. Here is the table of contents for our discussion on ChatGPT prompt engineering. 1. About prompt engineering overview and achievements. 2. Role of prompt engineering in context of generative AI. 3. Role of ChatGPT prompt engineering in different web applications. 4. Effective prompt patterns for ChatGPT Model 5. Principles of effective prompt engineering in ChatGPT. 6. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. SFD Model 7. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. Reward Model 8. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. RL Model 9. Methods to evaluate reinforcement learning. Model 10. Step-by-step guide for ChatGPT prompt engineering. 11. Debugging ChatGPT prompts for concise responses. 12. Best practices for effective ChatGPT prompt engineering. 13. Steps to create a unique ChatGPT prompt. This structured approach will guide us through the essential elements and advanced concepts of prompt engineering, providing a clear roadmap for our discussion. Let's begin with an overview of prompt engineering and its achievements. But the process. 1. Problem understanding. Define the problem and provide it to the AI model. 2. Design clear and concise prompt. Generate instructions to guide the language model. 3. Refine and iterate. Improve the prompt based on output results. Achievements. Enhance the potential of the AI model. Improve effectiveness and performance. Overview. Prompt engineering involves creating and improving prompts used to produce text from language models, such as GPT-3 or comparable models. The aim is to increase the quality and relevancy of the output content. By constructing the prompts carefully, we can elicit the required replies from the model, enhancing the precision and relevancy of its output. This makes the model more helpful for a variety of applications, including chatbots, language translation, content generation, etc. Several processes are involved in prompt engineering: choosing the right model architecture and parameters, developing the prompt's structure and format, choosing the right task and training data, fine-tuning the model using the chosen prompt and data. Through these efforts, we significantly enhance the potential and performance of AI models. In the context of generative AI, prompt engineering plays a crucial role in several key areas. By providing clear and concise cues, we can improve context awareness, leading to more accurate and relevant outputs. Good prompts can also enhance AI performance by producing responses that are precise and context-aware. Generalization is another benefit, encouraging AI systems to rely on their understanding of language and context while minimizing biases from training data. Well-crafted prompts increase the adaptability of AI models, making them versatile across various applications. Additionally, prompt engineering improves user experience by facilitating more logical and user-friendly AI systems, reduces biases by incorporating fairness considerations, and ensures safety by establishing guidelines to prevent inappropriate or harmful outputs. Prompt engineering for ChatGPT can be integrated into various web applications, each offering unique benefits. For chatbots, well-crafted prompts lead to more accurate responses, effectively resolving customer queries. In content generation, tailored prompts create personalized customer support experiences, enhancing satisfaction. Virtual writing assistants benefit from prompts that lead to more focused and relevant creative outputs. In customer service, effective prompts facilitate more natural and human-like conversations with virtual assistants. Lastly, personalized recommendation systems use prompts to deliver tailored suggestions, improving user engagement and satisfaction. To leverage the full potential of ChatGPT, it is essential to use effective prompt patterns. Some key patterns include 1. Persona pattern. Instruct ChatGPT to act as a specific persona to carry out tasks. 2. Question refinement pattern. Ask ChatGPT to create related questions to address the initial query comprehensively. 3. Template pattern. Provide a template for ChatGPT to generate responses. 4. Zero-shot prompting. Train the model to categorize unseen classes by learning patterns from the prompt. 5. Chain-of-thought prompting. Encourage the model to explain intermediate steps in its reasoning for multi-stage problems, creating a reasoning trajectory. Effective prompt engineering for ChatGPT is guided by several key principles. 1. Clarity. Clearly specify what you want the model to accomplish, minimizing uncertainty. 2. Context. Provide a clear context for the prompt to ensure accurate responses. 3. Precision. Use precise prompts to get exact responses, such as asking for a list explicitly. 4. Role-play. Assign roles to ChatGPT to direct its responses effectively, like asking it to explain historical events as a historian. Reinforcement learning from human feedback is a critical component in refining AI models. The supervised fine-tuning SFT model involves fine-tuning GPT-3 by employing contractors to create a supervised training dataset. Labelers provide appropriate responses to requests, forming a predictable output dataset used to enhance the model. This process results in the GPT-3.5 or SFT model. Key steps include gathering demonstration data, developing a guided policy, and removing requests containing personally identifiable information. The process ensures that the model learns from genuine sample data across various categories. The next step in reinforcement learning involves developing a reward model. This model collects comparative information to generate responses using the SFT model. Labelers rank these responses from best to worst, creating combinations of output rankings to train the reward model. This method tackles overfitting by using each set of ranks as a single batch data point, producing better aligned replies to user requests. The reward model uses a sequence of questions and answers to output a scalar value, which is then used to refine the AI model further. Reinforcement learning from human feedback also utilizes the proximal policy optimization (PPO) method to optimize a policy against the reward model. In this step, the model receives a random prompt and responds with an answer. The PPO model initiates from a supervised policy, calculates the reward for the output, and incorporates this reward to modify the policy. This iterative process ensures that the model produces responses that are well aligned with user expectations and improves the overall performance of the AI system. Evaluating the reinforcement learning model involves several factors. 1. Helpfulness. The model's ability to deduce and implement user instructions. 2. Truthfulness. The model's tendency to produce accurate information, evaluated using datasets like Truthful QA. 3. Harmlessness. The model's capacity to avoid offensive or harmful content, assessed using datasets like real toxicity prompts. Evaluation scenarios include responding respectfully, without context, or providing toxic responses. These methods ensure that the model is more aligned, truthful, and harmless compared to its predecessors. Creating effective ChatGPT prompts involves a step-by-step approach. 1. Describe the goal clearly. Define the prompt's objective. 2. Create the opening prompt. Start with a clear, unambiguous prompt. 3. Evaluate and iterate. Assess ChatGPT's output, refine the prompt, and repeat until achieving the desired result. 4. Use control methods. Experiment with control strategies like tokens, prefixes, or postfixes to guide the AI's behavior. 5. Utilize automation. Enhance prompts using machine learning algorithms and specific datasets for improved results. Debugging ChatGPT prompts involves several techniques to achieve concise responses. 1. Changing formality and tone. Adjust the formality by adding instructions like write a formal report on. 2. Making minor adjustments. Modify the prompt if the result is ambiguous or overly detailed by adding terms like briefly or in detail. 3. Iterate and experiment. Continuously try new approaches and iterate on prompts to find the best outcomes. To ensure effective ChatGPT prompt engineering, follow these best practices. 1. Avoid ambiguity. Provide clear and detailed prompts to avoid confusion. 2. Be specific. Specify the context, topic, or desired format of the response. 3. Use the right format. Explicitly mention the response style or format, such as a poem or step-by-step instructions. 4. Ask for reasoning. Request detailed reasoning in the prompt to understand the model's response better. Creating a unique ChatGPT prompt involves several steps. 1. Determine tone and character. Decide on the tone and character of the response, whether formal, casual, humorous, or solemn. 2. Explore the topic in detail. Conduct thorough research to understand different conversational strategies. 3. Identify target audience. Know the chatbot's target audience, including their age range and tech savviness. 4. Draft ChatGPT prompt. Begin crafting the prompt with a clear mission, tone, and audience in mind. 5. Test the prompt. Test the prompt with a small user sample or use a chatbot creation tool. 6. Launch ChatGPT prompt. After testing and refinement, launch the prompt on digital platforms. Thank you for watching this presentation on ChatGPT prompt engineering. I hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask.